Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up account alerts with Affirm. So let's get straight into it. So first step is to go to Affirm's website and sign into your account. And once you're signed in, you want to click on account alerts. Then you want to select the alert preferences. You can choose the type of alert that you want to receive, such as payment reminders or low balance alerts. Next, you're going to enter your email address and phone number to receive these alerts, and you can review and confirm the alert settings at any point in time. Once that's done, just wait for Affirm to send you alerts based on your chosen preferences. And you can also review and update your alert settings whenever it is that you need to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up account alerts with Affirm. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.